There. Camera's rolling.
Okay.
Alright.
Well, hi, I am Athie Nicowana.
I'm a... I'm Grass.
I am Drake.
So, what are we doing?
Are you allergic to something except?
You must be allergic to... you must be allergic to grass.
Are you sure not dragon? Yeah, it's grass alright.
Yeah. Well, what should we do tonight?
I do not know.
Well,
Bless you.
I think I better leave. No, come back. Good night, everybody.
Do you need an allergy shot?
Probably.
I think you might need to go to the doctors.
Yeah, it is cold and flu season. Yeah, I think you.
So, are you sure it's not allergies, but are you sure
I
it's
don't know.
flu or cold?
Let me smell you. I keep sneezing everybody away. I think you'll be fine.
Yeah.
No. All right. I'm going to bed. All right. Good night, everybody.
Good night.